Alright, I want to welcome you to another video from Sleem Solar. As you can see, we put the post in the ground, and we put those metal pipes at the top with some rings that are bolted to the top of the 8x8. And I want to just go up there and kind of give you a look in how we did it. So as you can see, we put this ring thing that's bolted down into the 8x8 stud here, and we put some foil aluminum tape on the top to protect it from water just penetrating into the treated wood. I know they say it's treated wood, but still want to take that extra precaution. And as you can see, the rod is threaded. The pipe is threaded all the way through and to the other side, and you can see it's pretty straight. So I want to give a special shout out to a gentleman and his family that I was watching or been watching, Martin Johnson Off-Grid. He gave me an idea. I think he had something that he welded and then he hung his on the front. So that gave me the idea of doing this and finding this at the hardware store and bolting it down. So this thing can pretty much turn. We have it kind of zip tied for now because we're still working while the wind's going. But he did something very similar to this, so I just want to give him a special shout out, and you probably should check out his video. Great family. Doing the off-grid thing. He's an amazing guy, and so is the family. So just wanted to show that, what we're doing here. And as you can see, the panels are mounted on these unistruts with the thing inside, that nut that we threaded a bolt through. You can see it's bolted on and it's fastened on well. So that's what we did for all of them, going up all the way down. Same thing on this side. You can see that nut in there. That's bolted on from this side over here. Sorry. With a washer. And what we may do is put like a nut on the back of that just to secure it and, drive it in more. But for now, so we're in the phase 1 of installing these panels. So there are 3 down and across. So it'll be on this side. We'll do the same thing here and along these 2 big openings here. So when it's all said and done, I think it's going to be 24 panels, if I'm correct. 6, 3 here, 3 here, 3 down, 3. That'll be 6, 12, 18, 24. So that's the system that we're putting in here for another client of ours, which Sleem Solar is doing. So that's the first set there. And then we'll just keep going across and across and across. And that will be it. So with that, signing off.